how to tell how to read the spark plug.
Internal performance.
How to look at a spark plug and tell the internal performance of your car engine.
Yeah.
All right, and how do you tell?
Okay. Yeah, you read the tip of the plug, and you can see how the porcelain part, the coloration.
Right.
If it's gray, then it's burning right. If it's like reddish, it's too the engine. It's too hot for the engine in the cooler plug. That means it's not the right plug. It's not the right heat range.
Oh, so you have different types of spark plugs that you can put in an engine?
Different types of spark plug. And then if it oily, then know the engine is losing oil from the rings, right?
Okay.
Or the valve seal.
Right.
Then if it's carbon up a lot, there's too much fuel going into the engine.
If it's carbon what?
Carbon, the carbon on the tip.
Oh, on the tip of the spark plug?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean, there's too much fuel. And if the tip of the plug, that's electrode, it's burned off down to the porcelain, that means it's the wrong heat range. Spark plug.
Because spark plugs have heat ranges?
Yeah. Like 30, 45, different by numbers, We have RXS 30, RXS 50.
Right.
Different, depends on the maker.
You were saying something about a hot plug into a cold engine, or a cold engine into a cold plug into a hot engine.
Yeah,
what were you talking about?
You put a hot plug into a cold engine, and a colder plug into a hot engine.
That's what you're supposed to do?
Yeah, so it performs better.
Oh, so if like I just brought the car and the engine is hot, I'm supposed to put a cold plug in there? Is that what you mean?
When I say hot, it doesn't mean that literally driving and get hot.
Oh.
Some engine designed to run hotter than some. And some designed to run cold. They call it the compression ratio.
Okay.
So some, inside it, like a high performance car now, you'll call it might have a hot engine, so put a cold plug, so the plug lasts longer.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so you put a hot plug into a hot engine, it burns fast.
Okay.
You know what I mean? And a cold engine need a hotter plug for better performance.
Oh, I see.
And a hot engine need a cold plug for better performance.
Okay.
Yeah. So, but right now, the mechanics, they don't understand that. You can just, once the engine is running, put a spark plug.
Yeah.
You can look at each one per cylinder, and you can know what each cylinder is doing, or each cylinder individual cylinder is performing.
Oh.
By reading the spark plug.
Okay.
It's just like you would have a graph.
Yeah.
Like you see the area of the heart.
Yeah.
And you see the spikes.
Right.
You can read and know what the heart is doing.
Right.
Okay. Now the spark plugs is like with a carry. Is it electricity it takes into the engine, so it come like veins.
Yeah.
So and you use a graph, an engine, you can see the graph, or the electricity is moving in the engine.
Oh,
just
okay.
like the heart,
Yeah. Right, same kind of concept.
It's that's why you can compare the human body with the engine if you know to break it down.
Right, yeah, you always say that.
The same performance, if you can see it, because the human body need water, the skin,
yeah,
to cool the body's biggest organ, the radiator
needs water.
Those engines store water,